Hi, how are you everyone? I hope all is well with you. Today I am tell about picoworker website. So picoworker website is a real and authentic website. This platform is a real and authentic platform. I earn this platform like picoworker around about 3 year. I am earning this platform around about $500. So I suggest join this platform and earn this money. If you do not create account, just link is available in this video description. So join this website and more earn money. Before start this video, I request subscribe my channel and bell icon and click bell icon. Thank you. So let's start this video. How to do work this platform. So today I am tell about Twitter task. How to do Twitter task. So when you see Twitter task, simple click Twitter task. And next you visit this interface like this and open this link. Read this expected worker. Read this sentence and requirement in this form. So let's start this how to do this task submit. First of all, click this link and open in Twitter. Copy this comment and paste this comment in bottom your comment tab. Next step is total likes retweets after you like comment. So next step is click this link and click open. So this website is redirect to Twitter. So click this tab and back to my home page. So like this and retweet this page. So comment here, you copy comment paste here and next reply. So next back and take a screenshot and go to pickworker website home page. Go to pickworker home page. So screenshot shows that you have made likes, retweets and comment. So choose file. You take picture first of all and choose file. So only this time click here and go to file. Click file and go to file manager. Click here and select this and upload this picture. So next step, total likes retweet after you like comment. Next what is your Twitter username. So go to your Twitter account. So go to your Twitter account and link your profile picture and profile. Click profile and click three dot. Click share and receive your profile link. This is profile link. Paste in this. Sorry, ये say that what is your Twitter username. What is your Twitter username? Open your Twitter and click your profile. So you visit this your username like this at with Nadeem. This is my Twitter username and your Twitter username is different. So type here Twitter username at with Nadeem. So next step, total likes retweets after your like comment. So you visit your already screenshot, visit screenshot just file manager. Go to file manager and go to image. Like this image is saved. So open this image and like this likes and retweet. Count this likes and retweet. likes 1120, and retweet 1070. 1120. So likes 1120. So like 1120 and retweet 1070. 1070. Type retweet. So this task is ready to submit. Simple, do this task. Same this. I do this task. So I hope like this video, subscribe and bell icon, and click bell icon. And next video, if you do not submit task this picoworker website, you tell me any task. I make a video of this task and upload in my YouTube channel. Visit you and earn more money. And so thank you watching video. Again, I request subscribe my channel, like, and bell icon, click bell icon. So thank you so much. Next step is, sorry, simple submit this task. Click submit this task. So 5 seconds, wait this submit task. Simple, this is the same project method. This is the, you see, my task is submit. Thank you so much for watching this video.